Welcome to our YouTube channel. So today I am going to show you how to create login form using Microsoft Access. So here, by using this login form, you can record login time and the login date details also. To create this login form, I have created a sample database. So I named my database as login form method tree. So this is my database name, and here you can see I have two forms. First one is FRM login form and the other one is main form. So I have created a separate table for this, and the table name is TBA login. So let's open FRM login form in design view. So this is the FRM login form. So here basically I have two text boxes. First text box is for first text box is to enter username, and the second one is to enter the password. So here you can see the first text box I have named as txt username, and the second text box I have named as txt password. So once user enter the username and password, he needs to click the login button. So there I added command button for my login form. So this is the command button. So I have changed the caption of this command button to login, and the name of this command button is cmd login. So this is the basic design of my login form. So here if I go to a TBA login, if not a login table, so here my login table has these columns. First one is username, and the second one is password, third one is login time, and the fourth one is login date. So if I go to design view, this is the table structure of my TBA login. Username data type is short text, password short text, login time short text, and the login date data type is date and time. So this is how the table structure. This is the table structure. Then here I have added sample users for my database for testing purpose, and these are the sample username and password I have given. First one is Ashoka, and the password is 123, and the second one is Saman, and the password is 321. So I need to update the login time and the login date for each and every user logged to the system. So the last login time and the last login date is recorded under this login form. Okay, before go to the VBA part, I want to remind you that please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Okay, now what happens, I use small VBA code to create this login form, and I have assigned my VBA code to the login form. So okay, to add VBA code, I want to click on this command button, then right click, then select build event. Then you can see our VBA window like this. Now I have designed my code like this, and I don't want to type all the codes now because it is a time consuming process. Then I will include this all code part and the step-by-step explanation in my blog site. So please check video description to find my blog link. Then you can visit my blog and understand A to Z procedure of creating this kind of login forms simply. Now I want to copy this code, copy. Now I'm going to paste my code under the CMD login button, and the event is click event. You see, this is the command button and its event procedure is click. Now I'm going to copy and paste my Visual Basic VB code here like this. Now this is SQL statement to retrieve matching records from the login table, and this is statement to open record set based on the SQL statement. So here, if a matching record found, then the second main form will open, and this part is to update the login time and date to a database. So likewise, you can create your own advanced login form. This is only an sample. You can create or you can add something more than this. Yes, now save the code, then go to the Microsoft Access again. Now I want to go to form view. Now we are in the form view. Now I am going to test my database login form like this. The password is, you see, the username is Ashok and the password is 123. Now I am going to press the login form. Once I press the login form, you see a message box pop-ups and it says login successful. Then I am going to press OK. Once I press the OK button, okay, let's go back to the Access and go to the design view. Username is Ashok and the password is 123. Yes, now it loads the main form. Now let's go to the TBL login form. Then you can see login time and the login date is updated accordingly. Now let's go to the second username is Saman and the password is 321. I'm going to press login button, login successful. Then again main form loads like this. So again let's go and check our login table. You can see the login time and the login date is updated for second user also. So like this you can create your own login form like this. So please visit my blog post to get the coding and please try yourself to create your own login form like this. So if you need any clarification, please put a comment under the description, and also you can put a comment under my blog post too. Then let's meet with another video. Do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thank you.